This line isn't moving.
I know.
We've been here forever.
It's so crowded today.
Only one cashier is working.
Seriously?
I'm getting tired.
I'm so tired of waiting.
This always happens on weekends.
Maybe we should come back later.
Or maybe try another store.
Wait,
Oh, it's finally moving.
that took forever.
Am I still waiting?
Looks like it.
It's been almost an hour.
The waiting room is packed.
Everyone looks tired.
Come on.
I'm so tired of waiting.
I should have made an earlier appointment.
Maybe I should reschedule.
No, I think they're almost ready.
Oh, they just called my name.
Finally.
That felt like forever. The bus is taking forever.
It's already 20 minutes late.
The app says 5 more minutes.
It said that 5 minutes ago.
Seriously?
My phone battery is almost dead.
I'm so tired of waiting.
Maybe I'll just walk.
It's too far.
Wait,
Here it comes.
finally.
That bus took forever. Is my coffee ready yet?
Not yet.
I've been waiting a long time.
They're really busy today.
There are so many people.
I only ordered one coffee.
Seriously?
I'm so tired of waiting.
Next time I'll order online.
Good idea.
Oh, my name.
Finally.
That was a long wait. This line isn't moving.
I know.
I'm getting nervous.
Our flight leaves soon.
There are so many people.
Maybe we should change lines.
Do you think it'll be faster?
I hope so.
Oh, we're moving now.
Good.
I thought we were going to miss our flight.
Me too.
That line took forever. You promised you'd be here.
I know.
I waited for an hour.
I'm really sorry.
You didn't even call.
My phone died.
You could have borrowed someone's phone.
You're right.
I trusted you.
I know I let you down.
This keeps happening.
I'll do better.
I really hope so. He said he'd finish it.
Did he?
He never sent anything.
Seriously?
We had a deadline.
That's not okay.
I trusted him completely.
Me too.
Now we have to do everything.
Again.
I'm not asking him next time.
Neither am I.
I can't believe this happened. I told her a secret.
What happened?
Now everyone knows.
She told everyone?
I guess so.
That's terrible.
I trusted her.
I would be upset too.
I don't want to tell her anything anymore.
I understand.
I never expected this.
Me neither.
That really hurt. You canceled again.
I'm sorry.
That's the 3rd time.
I know.
Something always comes up.
This time it was work.
That's what you said last time.
You're right.
I'm tired of hearing excuses.
I understand.
I just wanted to spend time with you.
I'm really sorry.
I hope next time is different. I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah?
You don't look okay.
I'm just tired.
You've been quiet all day.
I don't want to talk about it.
You don't have to hide it.
I'm trying to stay calm.
You don't have to do that.
I just don't want to make a scene.
I understand.
Maybe I'm not fine after all. I can't do this anymore.
What's wrong?
Everything.
Tell me.
I've been holding this in for weeks.
I knew something was wrong.
I stayed quiet.
Too quiet.
I kept saying I was okay.
But you weren't.
Not even close.
It's okay to speak up.
I think it's finally time. They ignored me again.
Again?
Nobody listened.
That must be frustrating.
I worked so hard.
I know.
I almost said something.
Why didn't you?
I didn't want to cause trouble.
But this keeps happening.
I can't stay quiet anymore.
Then don't.
I'm speaking up next time. Nobody listened to my idea.
Really?
I said it twice.
And?
Nobody answered.
That's rude.
5 minutes later,
What happened?
someone else said the same thing.
Let me guess.
Everyone loved it.
That's not fair.
I felt invisible. He still hasn't replied.
Since when?
Since yesterday.
That's a long time.
I sent another message.
Did he read it?
Yes.
But no reply?
Nothing.
That's frustrating.
I feel like he doesn't care.
Maybe he's just busy.
I hope you're right. Nobody listens to me.
What happened?
I was talking.
And?
Everyone started using their phones.
Seriously?
I just stopped talking.
That must have hurt.
It really did.
Did anyone notice?
I don't think so.
I'm sorry.
Thanks. Sometimes I feel invisible.
Why?
People walk right past me.
Really?
Nobody says hello.
That sounds lonely.
Maybe I'm overthinking,
Maybe.
but it still hurts.
I understand.
I just want someone to notice me.
I see you.
Thank you. You never listen to me.
That's not true.
It feels that way.
Tell me why.
Every time I talk,
Yeah?
you look at your phone.
I didn't notice.
It happens all the time.
I'm sorry.
I just want you to listen.
I will.
Thank you. You said you'd call.
I know.
I waited all night.
Work got really busy.
You could have sent one message.
You're right.
I was worried.
I'm really sorry.
This keeps happening.
I know.
I need you to keep your promises.
I'll try harder.
I hope so. You canceled again.
Something came up.
It always does.
I'm sorry.
I was really looking forward to today.
I know.
I even left work early.
I didn't know that.
I feel so disappointed.
I understand.
Please don't do this again.
I won't.
Thank you. We said some awful things.
Yeah.
I wish I could take them back.
Me too.
I was really angry.
So was I.
I don't want to fight anymore.
Neither do I.
Can we start over?
Of course.
I'm glad we talked.
Me too.
I missed you. I can't believe I did that.
What happened?
I made the same mistake again.
It happens.
Not to me.
Everyone makes mistakes.
I should have been more careful.
Maybe.
I'm really mad at myself.
Don't be so hard on yourself.
I'll do better next time.
I know you will.
Thanks. I put it off again.
Is it due today?
Tomorrow.
Then you still have time.
Barely.
Start now.
I always do this.
One step at a time.
I should have started earlier.
Maybe, but you can still finish.
I believe in you. I'll start right now. I shouldn't have said that.
Who to?
My friend.
Do you regret it?
Yes.
Then tell your friend.
I'm embarrassed.
That's okay.
I want to say sorry.
Then do it.
I hope my friend forgives me.
I'm sure they will.
I hope so. I thought I could do better.
What happened?
I gave up too easily.
That happens sometimes.
I'm disappointed in myself.
Why?
I quit too soon.
You can try again.
Do you think so?
Of course.
I'll try one more time.
That's the spirit.
I won't give up this time.